All right, so we are switching gears. Of course, the sun is in my eyes. We're switching gears here. We are going to be installing a couple of egress windows in our basement. I'm not going to go too technically in depth with this because I'm not an expert, but I'll probably make one video on this, even though this will probably take me a week to do. So here's what we're dealing with. We're gonna have one egress window here, so we got to dig down about 2.5 feet or so, and wider because the window is going to be about 4 feet wide. And then we're gonna have a second one over here. So there's gonna be two bedrooms in this basement. It's the next day. We started to dig the last of it out by hand, but it's clay and it's terrible, so we rented this backhoe or mini excavator or whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna do some digging. So I got an update for you guys. Here's our now one big hole instead of two separate holes. Let me get some better video of this. So there it is. This is our one big hole now. We're just putting some gravel in it. We're going to spread it out, and then we can start laying bricks after that's all leveled out. Over here we got our sump pump. We're going to be routing that from there, bringing it out and behind the wall and up towards the road there. So I got some shoveling to do. Update. We have a concrete form for our blocks to sit on now, and we're starting to cut holes in the wall. So that's what we're working on today. It's time to actually get this concrete out of the way so we can put these windows in. and caulk these windows and check back in with you guys. All right, well that's it. Windows are done. I still gotta paint the trim, but it's all sealed in. We finished our retaining wall. Let me take you guys down here. Okay, so we finished the retaining wall. We backfilled it with gravel behind there, and on the floor we got this nicer 3/4 inch round rock. We just put this in yesterday. I'll take you guys downstairs real quick and show you, but it's kind of a mess down there. So see you in a second. I'm gonna take you guys on a little journey. My house has a tunnel, for people who don't know. I'm inside the shop right now. Here's the main work area that I film most of my videos. And here is the tunnel. It goes down from the ground level and just slopes down into the basement. So the space is gonna get fully finished in the future, but here we go. Man, look at all that natural light. Yeah, we got all this light, and now we got egress for the bedrooms to get out. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I still got some work to do here. I got a lot to clean up in this basement. It's a mess. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.